Hey everyone, welcome back to the car updates. The Beetle's distinctive shape remains instantly recognizable, but the 2025 model features subtle updates for a more contemporary look. The iconic round headlights and curved roofline are still present, but with a modern twist. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by a comfortable and inviting interior. The Beetle offers ample space for both passengers and cargo, making it a practical choice for everyday driving. The infotainment system is user-friendly and packed with features. The Beetle is available with a range of efficient powertrain options, including gasoline and diesel engines. The car's suspension is tuned for a comfortable and enjoyable ride, while the handling is precise and responsive. The Beetle excels in both urban and highway driving. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver through city traffic, while its comfortable ride and fuel efficiency make it suitable for longer journeys. Safety is a top priority for Volkswagen, and the Beetle is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features. From adaptive cruise control to lane departure warning, these technologies provide an added layer of protection. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle is more than just a car, it's a symbol of individuality and style. It's a vehicle that combines practicality, comfort, and a touch of nostalgia into a compelling package. The Volkswagen Beetle, a timeless classic reimagined for the modern era.